Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use WhatsApp on two phones at once. In 2026, you can use the same WhatsApp account on two phones simultaneously using companion mode. This official feature allows you to link up to 4 additional smartphones, Android or iPhone, to your primary account, keeping all chats, calls, and notifications synced in real time. Now to set up companion mode, go ahead and prepare your secondary phone and download and install fresh copy of WhatsApp on your second device. Then open the app itself. Select your language and tap on agree and continue. Now the crucial step is when asked for your phone number, do not enter it. Instead, tap on the three-dotted menu icon, and once you tap on it, you will find option called select link as a companion device or link to existing account. Now, once you tap on it, a QR code will appear on the screen. Now, take your primary phone, then open WhatsApp on your main phone. From there, you will find this three-dotted menu icon located at the top right. Go ahead and click on it. Then, tap on this linked device option. From there, you will be able to find this option called link a device. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, from there, go through your securities and you will be able to scan a QR code on your primary phone. Now, take the QR code from the secondary phone and scan it with your primary phone. Now, once you do it, your account will be linked and you will be able to access the same account in two different devices. That is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.